Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Have you ever posted a story to your close friend list on Instagram but then wanted to share it to everyone? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can do it. So let's jump right in. First of all, you have to open the Instagram app and open your current story. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture at the top left of your feed. If the story was posted to your close friend, you will see a green star icon at the top of the screen. This indicates that only your close friends can see the story right now. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't let you directly change the audience for an active story, but there's a quick way around. First of all, save your story to your device by tapping the three dots at the bottom right and click on Save Photo. After you have saved the story, click on More again and delete the current story. Now start creating the new one. Select the saved video or photo from your device's gallery. And before posting, you will see two options at the bottom of your screen. One will say close friends and another your story. If you want to post it only to your close friend, you will click the green star option. But if you want to post it for everyone, you will be selecting the option saying your story. And once you click on it, your story will be posted, and now when you open it, you won't see the green star saying the close friends. So this was it guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.